Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. I am Imran Johan. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to change your D-Link router password. First, go to your favorite browser. Then write here 192.168.0.1. Hit enter. After that you will see this interface. They will ask you for username and your D-Link router password. I give here my D-Link router password and then click on login. After login, you will see this interface. From this top menu section, click wireless. And in the bottom section you will see pre-shared key. This is your Wi-Fi net connection password. Now put it here your new password. I give here my new password. Then click apply. Now your new password is set for your net connection. And you also can see how many users still connected on your net connection. For this, in the right top section, you will see status. Click on status. Then in the left section, click active clientele. Here, as you can see that now I have only one connection. This is my desktop only. If your connection have another client or another connection, that it will show here. First is wired connection for your PC, and then show your wireless connection, Wi-Fi connection for mobile, laptop, etc. I hope guys you enjoy this tutorial. If you learned something from this video, so please subscribe my channel, like the videos and share with your friends. And if you have any comments about this video, please write in the comment section below. So viewers, see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.